All right, 5 and 6. 5, whoops, I copied it wrong. I should say plus 42. So at number 5, we're factoring this trinomial. This says plus, so we're looking for factors of 42 that add to be 17. I do realize that's a negative 17, but I'm going to deal with that negative later. I'm just looking for factors of 42 that add to be 17. So I'm going to start my list with 1 and 42. Those add to be 43. Nope. 42 is even, so 2 times what is 42? 2 times 21. 2 times 21 is 42. When I add them, I get 23. Nope. But my sum's going down, so I'm heading in the right direction. Is 42 divisible by 3? The answer is yes. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is a number divisible by 3, so 42 is divisible by 3. If you're having trouble seeing 3 times what is 42, go to this smaller number here, this 21, and bring out the factor of 3 that's in 21. You know it's 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21, right? So if we pull away that factor of 3, to say, there's our 3 right there, 3 times these other two factors product will get us 42. 2 times 7 is 14, so 3 times 14 gets us 42. Hey, what do those add to be? Those add to be 17, so we've got it. So now we can set up our by and our by, x and x, 3 and 14. And now, instead of them both being plus and plus, we want them to add to be negative 17. So we have to realize that this is a negative 3x, and this is going to make a negative 14x, and those will add to be negative 17x. So they both have to be minus. Negative 3 times x, there's your negative 3x. Negative 14 times x, there's your negative 14x. We haven't messed up that this is still positive 42 for our last term, because when we do our last times our last, negative 3 times negative 14 makes positive 42. Let's take a look at our next one here. We're looking for factors of 40 that add to be 14. So 1 times 40, too big, that's 41. 40 is divisible by 2, 2 times 20, that makes 22, still too big. 40 isn't divisible by 3. 40 is, however, divisible by 4. 4 times 10, and hey, what do those add to be? 14. Those are the two factors we're going to be using. So we'll have our by and our by, x and x, and 4 and 10. And yes, we want them to add to be negative 14, so they're both subtracted. X minus 4, x minus 10.